Hi guys, it's Jazzy Bros and welcome to my channel. If you're interested in getting this look, please continue watching. First, I'm going to start off with my ShapeTape Hydrating Foundation. This is in the color Light Sand, and I'm just going to place some foundation all over my face. Then I'm going to take my damp beauty blender and blend everything out. For my concealer, I'll be using my ShapeTape from Tarte. This is in the color Light, and I'm going to place some on the side of my nose, under my eyes, above my lip, chin, and forehead. And I'm going to take my damp beauty blender and blend everything out. Then for my contour, I'm going to use my ShapeTape from Tarte. This is in the color Mahogany. And I just dot it all over my face first because this is really dark. I like a really intense contour. And I take my Morphe, this is my Morphe E47 contouring brush. And this is where I add my lines for my contouring. Make sure that when you're doing your nose, guys, you bring it up to your eyebrows. You're trying to make new lines when you're doing your contour. And then I take a foundation brush. I don't remember what this one is, but I will leave everything in the description box. But I do this part just to blend that line out because sometimes I find it very difficult with the beauty blender and I feel like I'm smashing my face. So I do this first and it helps blend everything out. And now I go with my beauty blender and I blend out the rest of my face and I do my contour for my nose. Set everything, I'm going to go with my Clay Play palette from Tarte, and I'm going to be using Terracotta and Desert. I'm going to use both of them. I don't remember what brush this is, guys. I will leave everything in the description box, I promise. And I'm just going to go over where I use the darker concealer for my contouring. And also just use an eyeshadow brush and go over that line for your contouring of your nose as well. Now with my Laura Mercier powder, I actually re-damp my damp beauty blender and I just place everything because I can't really bake. I have really dry skin, but I find that when you do this, it gives you the same kind of look that it does with baking, but it doesn't make your face look so cakey. Now for my eyeshadow, I'm going to go with my Tartelette in Bloom palette from Tarte, and I'm going to start off with the color Smarty Pants, and I'm going to blend that right into the crease. Same thing on the other eye. Then I'm going to go in with the color Jet Setter, and I'm going to actually use a bigger blending brush than I did with the last color. I will leave all of the brushes that I used in the description box, and I'm just going to blend this right into the crease just like I did with Jet Setter. Then I'm going to go in with the color Activist, and with this I'm going to just kind of dot it onto the outer part of my eye and in the inner parts. Same thing on the other eye, just pat it on. Then I'm going to go in with the color Rebel, and I'm just going to blend that right into my crease, and this is going to just make everything connect and blend together really well. I'm also going to blend this on the lower lash line. And like I said, just blend everything together and everything's just going to connect beautifully. Then I'm going to go in with the color Firecracker, and I'm just going to place this on the top of my lids. And also at the bottom of my lash line, right over Rebel. Then I'm going to be using my Goddess lashes. These are from Tarte as well. And I'm just going to place them on. You want to get it as close to your lash line as possible. Now for my blush, I'm going to go in with my Amazonian Clay from Tarte, and I'm just going to place this on the balls of my cheeks. Then for my highlight, I'm going to go in with my Smashbox Spotlight palette, and I'm just going to place this on the upper part of my cheekbones, above my lip, on my chin, above my eyebrows. I'm also going to put this on my brow bone, and I'm going to place it on my nose as well. Then for my lips, I'm going to go with my NYX lip pencil. This is in the color Nude Beige. And I'm just going to outline my lips. And then from Surat Beauty, I'm going to go in with my lip gloss. Just going to place it on the inner part, give it a nice nude lip. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.